Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on how to share your story on Instagram using your PC. This feature makes it easier than ever to connect with your audience directly from your desktop. Let's get started with the steps. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Simply go to Instagram.com and log into your account if you haven't done so already. This is where all the magic begins, as you can access your profile and stories, just like you would on your mobile device. Next, it's time to open your story. Look for the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see the option to view your stories. Select the story you want to share. This could be a photo or video that you've previously uploaded. Now we need to select the link from the address bar. This step is crucial because it allows you to share a direct link to your story. Click on the address bar at the top of your browser window. Highlight the entire URL that appears there. Once you have highlighted the URL, right-click and choose Copy from the context menu that appears. This action saves the link to your clipboard, making it ready for sharing wherever you like. Finally, it's time to share the link where you want. You can paste this link in an email, a message, or even on another social media platform. Just right-click again in the desired location and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V, Command+V on Mac to insert your copied link. And there you have it. Sharing your Instagram story from a PC is now a breeze with these simple steps. Whether you're a content creator looking to expand your reach or just someone who wants to share moments with friends, this feature opens up new possibilities for engagement. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to explore more about Instagram's features and keep sharing your stories creatively.